Hello students. So we started exercise 7.1 and we did all the questions 1, 2, 3 and 4, and also this question number 5 also we have done. Okay. So now I will start question number 6. So solve the following equations and check your answers. So here different equations are given. We have to find the value of the x, and after that you have to check whether the value of the x what you got is true or not. Is it correct or not? You have to check it. Check your answer. So let's see how to check your answer after finding the solution. So you can see the question 6 number is 7x minus 3x plus 8 equal to x plus 2. So first of all we'll solve the equation, we'll find the value of x. Okay. So first of all 7x minus 3x, you can see here 7x minus 3x is what? 4x plus 8 equal to x plus 2. Next this x will come this side, 4x, then is x is positive, so it will become negative now, minus x equal to, so 2 is here, we'll transfer this plus 8 in this side, so what will become, so plus 8 will become minus 8. Okay, now next 4x minus x is what? 3x equal to 2 minus 8 is what? 6, so but it is minus 6. Okay, next this 3 will go down, okay, in divide, so minus 6 divided by 3. So when you cut this, 3 to the 6, so answer is x equal to minus 2. So this is the answer of this equation. So value of x is minus 2. Now our next part is what? Checking your answer. How can you check the answer of this question? Whether this x equal to minus 2 is correct or not, we'll check now. Okay. Now see how to check. So checking right down here. So this is what? LHS part, this is RHS part. We will check both the parts. First of all, we'll check the LHS, then RHS. So first of all, write here LHS equal to 7x minus 3x plus 8. So this is our LHS part. So what we do, we'll put the value of x in this expression. Okay, so 7, so the process of checking is this only. We will put whatever value we get, we'll put this value in the equation. So x value is minus 2, so we'll give here bracket because minus is there, that's why. And this is what? Multiplication. So do not confuse, nothing is there, that means it is multiplication. So 3 into minus 2 plus 8. Okay, so 7 into 2 is what? 14, and it is minus is there, so it will be minus 14. Then 3 to the 6, and minus will be plus. Okay, minus into minus is what? Plus. So 3 to the 6 plus 8. Then now minus 14. So 6 plus 8 is what? 14. So it's plus 14. Minus 14 plus 14 is what? 0. Okay, so LHS value is coming 0. Now we'll see RHS. So write down the RHS here. So RHS is x plus 2. Okay, now check for RHS. Put x value here. X value is what? Minus 2. Then here plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 is what? 0. So RHS is 0. Now see, LHS is also 0 and RHS is also 0. That means both are equal. And now LHS equal to RHS. That means value of x is true here. Okay, the value of x minus 2 is true. In this way you can check your answer. So you can, at last you can write, therefore the solution of the equation is x equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is the solution of the equation. In this way you have to check it. So first of all, find the value of x properly, then take LHS, put the value of x in LHS, see what is coming, then put the value of x in RHS, see what is coming. If both LHS and RHS are equal, then the value of x is true. If it is not coming equal, then this value is not correct, this is false. Okay, you have to again recheck it. Understood? So now A number I have done. So your homework is B and C number. Okay, B and C is your homework. So you will do this B and C. Now I'll do D. X minus 5 by 7 minus 8 equal to 2x plus 4 by 5. Okay, so let's see here. So what do you do here now? So you can see this is a fraction and this is also a fraction. So what do you do first? You know the fraction plus and minus, you know. Okay, you know properly how to solve the fraction, addition and subtraction. So we'll do this subtraction here because this x minus 5 by 7 minus 8. So we'll take the LCM of this. So nothing is there in the denominator. That means it has 1. So what we do? First of all, we'll take the LCM. 7 and 1 LCM is what? 7. Now 7 divided by 7 is 1. Then 1 into x minus 5. It is what? Again x minus 5. Understood? Minus, here nothing is there. That means it is 1. So 1 divided by 7 is 7. 7 into 8 is 56. Okay, and this write down as it is. Next, what you do? X minus 5 minus 56. So operation will be plus, the sign will be minus. So 5 plus 56 is what? 61. Okay, by 7 equal to 2x plus 4 by 5. Now what we do? We will now cross multiply both these fractions. So we will cross multiply like this. Okay, so this will go this side, 5 into, it will come inside the bracket 61. Okay, this cross multiplication we are doing like this. So this 7 into 2x plus 4. So everything is now transferred. Now we'll open the bracket. 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into 61 is 5 1 5, 5 6 30. Okay, now 7 2 14, it is 14x plus 7 4 28. Okay, now we do the transferring of these variables. 5x here and 14x is will transfer here. So 5x, it will come and it will become negative now, minus 14x, and 28 is here, and bring this minus 305 this side, then it will be plus 305. Okay, then minus 5 minus 14 is what? 9. So it will be minus 9x. Now it is 28 plus 305. Okay, add it. So 8 plus 5 13, 1. It will be 3 and it is 3. Okay, now this minus 9 will go here, 333 by minus 9. Okay, now divide it. When you divide it, it is coming what? Okay, divide it 9. Okay, 3 3 3. So 9 3 27. So 13 minus 7 is what? 6, and here it is 3. So 9 7 63. So it is coming 37. So minus is there, so minus 37. So value of x is minus 37. Now we'll check our answers. So give one line here. Start checking. First of all, LHS is x minus 5 by 7 minus 8. So put the value of x here. X value is what? Minus 37. So put here minus 37 minus 5 by 7 minus 8. So minus 37 minus 5 is what? In the operation will plus, sign will minus. 37 plus 5, it will be 42 by 7 minus 8. So now 7 and 42, it will be divided. 7 6 are 42. Okay, so it will be minus 6 minus 8. So minus 6 minus 8 is what? Minus 14. So LHS is minus 14. Now RHS. RHS is what? 2x plus 4 by 5. Okay, so put the value of x. Value of x is minus 37, then plus 4 by 5. So now multiply this 2 into 37. Sign will be minus. Okay, 2 into 37, 2 7 is 14. Then 1, 2 3 is 6, 7, minus 74 plus 4 by 5. So minus 74 plus what? The operational minus, and the sign is also minus. 74 minus 4 is what? 70 by 5. So when you divide this 70 by 5, what is coming? It is also coming minus 14. It is also coming 14. Okay. So see here, 5 1 is 5. 7 minus 5 2, 20. 5 4 is 20. Okay. So 14. So RHS is also coming minus 14. So LHS and RHS both are same. That means LHS equal to RHS. That means, so this is the solution of the equation. So the solution of the equation is x equal to minus 37. That means x equal to minus 37 is correct because LHS and RHS are equal. So understood? In this way you have to find the solution first of all, then check the solution in this way. So this C and B and C is your homework. In this way this exercise is complete. So next video we'll see the linear equation applications. That means the word problems. Okay, we'll see the word problems here. So that's all for today. Thank you.